Thanks for joining us on air and online at KVOA.com on this Wednesday morning. I'm meteorologist Jeff Beamish. Gusty and dusty for the morning rush. Temperatures into the 60s. We'll see wind gusts of 40 miles per hour as we're heading into the early afternoon hours. Then I think for the drive home, those winds will begin to subside. 88 the forecast high in Tucson. Watch out, by the way, for the morning rush. Some blowing dust on I-10, I-19, certainly not out of the question. Wind gusts as we approach the 7 o'clock hour. A lot of us seeing those 20-mile-per-hour winds coming off the Rincon Mountains out of the east. 39-mile-per-hour wind gusts at Ryan Field. 30 for Douglas, and this will pretty much be what we see as we're heading in between now and lunchtime. Strongest winds up and down the I-10, I-19 corridor. For that reason, a wind advisory going in effect. 7 o'clock this morning, 3 o'clock this afternoon for all the areas shaded in blue. Gusts to 40 miles per hour not out of the question. Factor in the winds, low relative humidity, dry fuels due to the ongoing drought. That means a high fire danger, and most of southern Arizona under a red flag warning 8 o'clock this morning till 3 o'clock this afternoon. Reason we're seeing the winds today. Trough of low pressure to our east, off to the west, high pressure, and the pressure difference in between the two is what we call pressure gradient. That pressure gradient increases as we're heading into the next few hours, increasing our winds here in southern Arizona. So wind casts around 9 o'clock showing those winds coming out of the east, 20 to 30 miles per hour sustained. Watch what happens as we're getting into the latter portion of the afternoon. As you're heading home from work or school, 10 to 20 mile per hour winds. So the strongest winds will be between now and lunchtime here across southern Arizona. A look at your TrueView 4 extended forecast. 80s today. In fact, temperatures this afternoon 2 to 4 degrees below average for this time of year. Low 90s tomorrow. Gusty winds still in the forecast. Not as strong as this morning. I think for your Thursday, those winds around 10 to 20 miles per hour. And then the upper 90s are arriving as we're heading into the weekend. Just a shade under the ice break on Saturday. 99, your forecast high here in Tucson. Let's get a final check.